Hello everyone and welcome back to your language class. For those of you who are new, my name is Rahim, and on this channel I try to provide easy to understand lessons on Spanish and English. Since this is the very beginning of this channel, I would really appreciate it if you could support me by subscribing to my channel. It would also help you stay updated with Spanish and English lessons. Today we are going to learn one of the most confusing English grammar lessons, mixed conditionals. By the end of this video, you will understand what mixed conditionals are, how to make them, when to use them, and how to make your own examples. Let's get started. Mixed conditionals are sentences that mix two different times. This means one part of the sentence talks about the past and another part talks about the present. That is why we call them mixed. We use mixed conditionals when a past situation affects the present, or a present situation is somehow related to something that happened in the past. These two are two common patterns of mixed conditionals in English. Now let's go through each type one by one and see how they are used. Let's look at the first type. In this type, the condition is in the past, but the result is in the present. So the structure is, in the if clause, you have if past perfect, and the other clause, result clause, you have would plus base verb. For example, if I had studied more, I would be more confident now. Let's break it down. Had studied is the past perfect, and would be shows the present result. This means I did not study enough in the past, and now I am not very confident. Another example, if she had gone to bed earlier, she would feel better now. Here, the past action was not going to bed early, and the present result is not feeling well now. One more, if we had saved more money, we would have a bigger house now. So this sentence shows that a past decision affects the present situation. So remember this, past condition, present result. Something happened or did not happen in the past, and now we can see the result. Type 2. Let's look at the second type here. In this type, the condition is in the present, but the result is in the past. So the structure would be something like if plus simple past in the if clause and would have plus past participle in the result clause. For example, if I were taller, I would have joined the basketball team. Now let's look at another example here. If he were more careful, he would have made fewer mistakes. So here, the present situation is that he is not careful enough, and because of that, there were mistakes in the past. Another example, if they lived closer, they would have come to the party yesterday. This means they do not live close now, so they did not come to the party in the past. So this type means present condition that is somehow related to a situation or a condition in the past. The present situation causes a past result. Now let's compare both types. Type 1, if I had slept earlier, I would feel better now. So if past perfect would base verb. And in the second type, if simple past would have past participle. If I were smarter, I would have answered that question yesterday. So the main idea is simple. Past condition, present result, present condition, past result. Now let's go through a common mistake. A common mistake is to use the wrong tense in one part of the sentence. For example, do not say, if I had studied more, I would be more confident yesterday. This is not correct because would be is for the present, not yesterday. Instead, say, if I had studied more, I would be more confident now. Or if I were more confident, I would have spoken better yesterday. So always check the time. Ask yourself, is this talking about the past? Is this talking about the present? And that question will help you choose the correct structure. Now let's practice a few more examples. If I had taken the other road, I would not be late now. Past condition, present result. If she were more organized, she would have finished the project on time. Present or general condition, past result. If we had listened carefully, we would understand the lesson now. Past condition, present result. If he spoke English fluently, he would have got the job, or he would have gotten the job. Again, general or present condition and past result. So in this video, we learned what mixed conditionals are and how they connect two different times in one sentence. Past condition, present result, present condition, past result. Very simple. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, I would really appreciate it if you could support me by subscribing to my channel and also sharing this video with other learners. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to write them in the comment section. I do read comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Until the next video, keep learning, keep improving. Consistency always pays off.